Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to sign in your Microsoft account on your Edge app on Android. So launch the Edge app, go to your home screen, or you can use any screen for that matter, and at the top right top left you have this profile icon. Just tap on it and it will ask you to sign in to sync. Just select that option and select add account and enter the Microsoft account that you want to sign in. So let me just quickly sign into my Microsoft account. So I have successfully signed into my Microsoft account, and you can see my profile here at the top. And once it is done, you can just select here, and you can see my profile has been added to the synchronization. So if you want to configure the synchronization, you can tap on the profile icon and select the account, and it will display the sync option where you can select the sync and choose what all data you need to sync, whether you want to sync the profiles, addresses, the passwords, the history, and all other options that you want to sync. Based on these toggle switches, the sync will be enabled or disabled. So in this way you can sign in and sync your Microsoft account on your Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.